Scottish Fold cats are famous for being adorable round. This breed has a calm, loving, and adaptable nature. But behind their cute appearance, they have an interesting history.
Wow, what cute cats! What is the fact behind the Scottish Fold cat's name?
Early discovery in Scotland. The story of the breed began in 1961 on a farm in Perthshire, Scotland. A shepherd named William Ross discovered a white barn cat named Susie who had a unique genetic mutation in the form of ears that folded forward. Susie later gave birth to a child with the same physical traits, who became the ancestor of the entire Scottish Fold race today. Come help me tell the characteristics and personality of this Scottish Fold cat to viewer.
Okay, of course, I want to help you. Tell me about the Scottish Fold cat.
Number 1, appearance. In addition to the folded ears, they have large round eyes, chubby cheeks, and necks that tend to be short.
Number 2, nature. They are known to be very relaxed, loyal, and not very vocal. They love to play, but also love to spend time relaxing on their owner's laps.
Number 3, adaptation. This cat is very adaptable to new environments as well as to other pets. The Scottish Fold is a very popular breed of cat thanks to its unique characteristic, small ears that fold back and forth, giving the impression of a round and adorable face.
Here are the physical features of Scottish Fold. Number 1, ear. Their ears fold forward, ranging from a single fold to a double fold, triple fold. That attaches very tightly to the head.
Number 2, face and body. Has large round eyes, chubby cheeks, and a well-proportioned and dense body.
Number 3, variations. All Scottish Fold kittens are born with perpendicular ears. Their ears only start to look folded when they are around 3 to 4 weeks old, if they carry the gene. In addition, there is also a version of Scottish Straight, which is its relative who has erect ears.
Nature and temperament of Scottish Fold cats. Number 1, calm and sweet. This cat is known to have a relaxed, gentle, and less demanding personality.
Number 2, loving. Very loyal and friendly to family members, as well as quite adaptable to children or other pets.
Number 3, quiet. They are not very vocal and prefer to have a soft voice when they want to communicate.